Wow, check out a few of these things that we've got. We've had these in the family for a very long time, and we were cleaning out one of our closets today, and we found a few of these. So here's the first one we found. Now this one's not really complete, but we'll open it up here for you and take a quick look. Check that out and see if I can focus in on this a little bit better. Kind of interesting. Nice attire. Nice little camera here. Now, obviously, as you can tell, that flash is missing and some other stuff here and the instructions and everything. And the camera itself is in pretty decent shape. Hopefully this is turning out alright. Try not to get the reflection off the light here. There we go. We'll show you this one just real quickly, but really that's about it on this one here. And Kodak Instamatic X-15F camera outfit. Okay, so we've got this one. We found a couple more here, so we'll just kind of push this one off to the side, and we'll bring in this next one, which has definitely a lot more interesting stuff in it. It's a Brownie Fiesta camera outfit. Pretty interesting. Try to keep the camera focused as I can because the glare off the boxes, and made by Kodak. What is Kodak? Check this out. Obviously camera, flash up the top here, you can see my shadow of my hand. There. Light bulbs, flash bulbs, strap, and something really interesting. Roll of film here, and we'll pull that out, and we'll grab that out right now. Let's see if I can get on the date on this thing here. Hopefully you can make that out. April 1976. Unopened. How old is that? Almost as old. Well, actually it's older than me. No. I'm older than it. Never mind. But again, that's kind of interesting. So we can make up the date. We'll bring it up here. There we go. That's kind of cool. Unopened. 8, 12, or 16 exposures. CX-127. Sorry about the glare. CX-127. That's kind of interesting. We'll put that back inside. Here's the camera. Get my thumb out of the way. It's not bad shape. It's got a few little minor nicks on it. Straps in nice shape. It's a little bit dirty and just in the back side here, but and then there we go. Camera taking a picture of the camera. Yeah, okay. Pull in, and then it says down here, lock, open, wind. Uses Kodak 127 film. Hold cameras steady. Made in Toronto. Interesting. Registered trademark. So there's that. Refocus the camera here. My autofocus has somehow gone off on my newest cameras. Flash. Batteries go in the bottom. Right in there. 2 AA's. There's your bulbs. Kind of interesting. Brownie. Case is in pretty decent shape. I mean, if that film is from 76, this camera's... Guess what I forgot to do? Put the back on. This camera, if this case is from 70, or sorry, the film's from 76, when is this from? It's got some marks on it and stuff, but other than that, it's in pretty decent shape. Now, I'll show you some other stuff that we got here. That's been in the family forever. Do you know what that is? That's kind of an interesting one. Polaroid land camera, big swinger 3000. Hopefully not too much glare off the light here, but let's see if we can, there's the instructions on the back of that. Use only 3000 speed film for all pictures, daily pictures, flash, how to develop all pictures, etc., etc. Now, this thing, look at that. It does open. Wow, I haven't looked inside this thing at all. It's use 1.5 volt ever ready or Mallory. I guess there's a battery or something. To remove batteries, pull out on this end. That's kind of interesting. Oh yeah, battery, positive nail. I guess if I look a little closer, battery. So somehow this comes out, but I won't take it apart. And then there's some other instructions here. How to clean developer spreader. Interesting. I don't see any dates on this here. There's a serial number listed right on top here, though. That's kind of interesting. Up and over. And yeah, it just locks into place. Look at that, eh? Oh. Let's take a look here. Distance for flash only. Darker. Oh, yeah, look at that, it changes. That's kind of, I'm guessing a flash goes in here, and that's, I'm lost on that camera. And then we've got a real old one here. Check that out. This one's interesting. This goes back to my grandparents' days from the farm, and wow, this thing is, what the heck? How do you open this? Let's, obviously that's the shutter. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. So there's, you look through here to see what's going on with there. Oh yeah, because there's the optical. There's another one here though that you can look down. Look down to look through. There's two lenses. Well, lens, aperture, spots of see-through. Wow, I'm gonna have to do some research on this one here, and obviously the film, yeah, some kind of a winder. But how do you open it? I don't know. Oh, did I break something? Hopefully not. I don't want to tug on it really. I'm gonna have to. Oh, kind of pops. I don't think that these things. Well, you know what? I'm not going to start ripping this thing apart if I don't know. That's in, that's out. 'Cause that's the only way you're going to get film into this. It's one of these child-proof boxes, obviously, and I'm a child and I can't open it. So there you go, some interesting stuff. So leave some comments behind. Let me know what you think of our 4 cameras. And we do have a couple other ones, and I just don't know where I've got them at right now. So thanks for watching. if you got some info on this one, maybe I'll just do some research. It targets 620. Interesting. You can see the aperture. Wow, she clicks across pretty quickly. I'm guessing the winder offhand and the sight glass through here to see, I guess, what film you have left inside. I'll do some more research on that and maybe get another video on it or something.